Meaning of divisible.
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 Divisible. The term divisible refers to the property of a number that can be evenly divided by another number without leaving a remainder. In other words, if one number is divisible by another number, it means that the first number can be divided into equal parts, where each part is the size of the second number. For example, 10 is divisible by 2 because it can be divided into 5 equal parts, each part is 2. Divisibility is a fundamental concept in mathematics that is widely used in many areas, such as algebra, geometry, and number theory.